We will continue in the lesson 11.5, volumes of pyramid and cones. This is directly related with the last lesson because the formula that we will use has a relation. Now we know in this figure, if we see it in this figure, we have the volume of the pyramid that is inscribed in the prism here is 1/3 of the volume of the prism. And this one is a cube. That means the pyramid that is inside is the volume of the cube divided by 3. Basically, that will be the rule that we will apply in all this exercise. Here we have it. 1/3 the base, the area of the base times the height. Remember, when it's a prism is base and height. The difference when it's a pyramid is 1/3. What means that relation is that if I fold this figure that I have here in this cube that is here, if I fold this pyramid, there are 3 pyramids here. If I fold it, I will have the complete cube that is there. That means in this cube we have the space of 3 pyramids with the same height and with the same base, the area of the base here, fit inside of this. And we may change the figure, but again, in that this is not a cube, it's a rectangular prism. And then we made it. Here we have it. Okay. Now, with the cone, that is the next figure that we have. The cone that is inscribed inside the cylinder has the relation of 1/3. If we divide 71.98 divided by the volume of the cone, we have to get a number that is around 3 because decimal are losing here. That is the relation. It doesn't matter. We keep this. If we divide 19.59 divided by 6.53, will be 3 from decimal, but at the end is 3 because this result, the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 of this one. If that is the only thing that you have to remember. You don't have to memorize a formula. It is an oblique pyramid. Again, is the height that we will use. Now, the exercise that I will solve. For example, in this one, it says a sport arena shaped like a pyramid has a base of 300,000 feet squares and the height is 321. What is the area approximate the volume of the arena? Now we have to find the volume. Let's solve this. Now here, remember the formula of the volume is 1/3 the base times the height. Now we already have the value of the area of the base. That is the 300,000 here. Multiplied by the height, that is 321. And we will have to make the math. We will divide that number by 3. Definitely we get 100,000 multiplied by 321. The volume will be 32,100,000 foot cube. That will be the answer for this one. Okay, the next exercise that I will solve is this one. Says, what is the volume of a square pyramid with a base edge of 24 meters and a slant height of 13 meters? Now, again, we will use the same formulas because it's a pyramid. We already had the formula here. Now we have to find the base. If we know that every side of the base is 24 meters, that means we will multiply by 24 meters. And the result will be 576 meters squared. Now we only have to apply the formula. Yes, 1/3 multiplied by the area of the base multiplied by the height. Now, this 13 is not the height that we are looking for because this figure that is here is this is the slant height. We need the total height of the figure. In other words, what we have in this figure is this part, this number. We have to make the Pythagorean theorem to find this one. Let's make clear what is the figure that we have. What we have is a pyramid, one side of the pyramid, and we have the value that is this distance, that is 13. There is the 13 meters. And we know that this part is 24. That means the half of this figure we have a 13 in this part and a 24 in this one. We are looking for the height. We need to make that Pythagorean theorem. Now, the height will be the hypotenuse, so second power, minus the side that is here, that is, all the distance is 24. That means the half will be 12. Minus 12 to the second power. Then we have to make that the square root. Remember, it's not 13 minus 12. We have to make 13 to a second power, that is 169, minus 12 to a second power, that is 144. That result is 25. And the square root of 25, because this is the height to the second power also, we have to make to find the height, we have to make the square root. That will be 5. Now, the height of the pyramid, this height is 5. And that will be the number that I will write in this place. The volume will be 1/3 times 526 times 5. That is 960 meters cubed. Now, the next formula that we have is the formula of the cone. Remember, the formula of the cylinder is only this part pi times the radius to the second power times height. But this is a cone that is basically a pyramid, but with a base of a circle. Now we have to divide by 3. One multiplied by 1/3. This is the formula. And let's make this exercise that we have. Says, what is the volume of the oblique cone at the right in terms of pi rounded by the nearest cubic meter? See, we have all the information that we need. Now, we will remember the formula is 1/3 multiplied by pi times the radius to the second power. In this situation, the radius of the figure is 6 meters multiplied to the second power multiplied by 12 meters Now the final result will be the multiplication of this. Remember, the answer has to be in terms of pi. We will multiply 12. Will be 6 to the second power, that is 36, multiplied by 12, then divide by 3. 144 pi. The unit is meters cube. Meters cube. That is the final answer for this exercise. Only multiply formulas in all those exercises. Now, your classwork will be solve exercise number 6, number 8, number 10, and 12, and 19.